I'm just so happy to be here. When I had COVID, I had pneumonia in both lungs, and I was on the ventilator for 19 days. I had many side effects from the COVID. I had advanced heart failure, also kidney failure, where I was on dialysis the whole time I was in the hospital. But I was very fortunate because of the excellent care that I received.
Patrick is really a perfect example of what we're seeing with many of our patients who have been through, just this devastating illness. COVID can really affect almost the entire body. And as we started to see more and more people becoming ill with COVID, we started to notice that people were not just bouncing back right away, but left with many different lingering symptoms affecting different parts of the body. So we quickly responded by building the MedStar Health COVID Recovery Program to respond to these needs, including fatigue, headaches, loss of taste and smell, cognitive issues. Many people report what's called brain fog or difficulty thinking, and we have specialists that deal with this. Through this whole team, we're really able to help them get back to their old selves.
If it wasn't for the physical therapist and the occupational therapist at MedStar National Rehabilitation Center, I wouldn't have progressed as much as I did. And then MedStar Washington Hospital Center, due to my heart failure, I wound up getting a pacemaker with a defibrillator. And now I'm at MedStar Southern Maryland Hospital Cardiac Rehabilitation because I live so close. They'll allow me to do my therapy there.
MedStar care was all the way through fabulous. It was 5-star, and it continues to be 5-star. MedStar doctors all working together to make sure that his health is where it needs to be. It's very meaningful as a caregiver because I'm able to rely on their records and their communication, and so that helps me relax in a big way.
Patients really feel that continuity of care, and we're seeing so many success stories of people coming out the other side stronger, functioning better, and getting back to their lives.
And just thank God for the medical staff. While I was in the hospital, I was in a coma, and the nurse would bring her personal cell phone and put it on speaker. My wife and my daughters would say, "Dad, don't give up. You gotta fight this, Dad. You gotta fight this." And when I finally did wake up, I saw my family on a FaceTime, and I said, "I told you, Dad, I wasn't gonna quit. I was gonna fight." Subconsciously, I guess they had been telling me that the whole time. I have so much to be grateful for. The professionalism and the care at MedStar is like no other. They were very, very thorough, made me feel really, really secure and confident in their medical care, which I greatly appreciated.